Okay, we're trying out the GoPro on the helicopter. So it's on the bottom of the helicopter. So I'm looking at a helicopter right now.
Yeah.
Right on the bottom.
Helicopter. So there's fun times.
So we're going outside with this, and we're gonna try to see what I look like from the top. So we're going out here. We're gonna get a shot of the grass, hopefully for only a few seconds. So let's turn on the helicopter, and it's Daniel too.
Yeah.
He's helping me with this experiment. And okay, see what happens. Small malfunctions.
Attempt fail
I'm
number
going to
one.
have Daniel hold it now.
Okay.
And
Just gonna like hold this.
yeah, and then I'm just gonna. Okay, not working. Now I have.
Yeah, let's try this again.
Hypotheses. Okay.
Hypothesize.
Why is this not working? And we're gonna.
Oh, maybe that's it.
But maybe you, Hero 3, are too heavy. Let's try it again with the Daniel.
The Daniel launch. The Daniel launch. GoPro, are you okay?
Yep.
You okay? Yep, you're good.
Hero 3, looks like you didn't quite work.